Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 21. So we are on Lesson 4, Language in Use. Activity 1, unscramble the questions about when you were 5. Then answer for you. Number 1, so did you used to speak English? So the answer is yes, or you can choose no. So when you answer yes, you should write it as yes, I did. So we write it on the new line here. So yes, I did. So if your answer is no, so you should write it as no, I didn't. And then number 2, so this one we need to find the uppercase here. So this is what. So what games did you, so did you used to play? So this one we don't have this D here. Used to play. And then we have this question mark here. So the answer for this is, so you need to change the pronouns to I here. So I used to, so we added a D here. I used to play, so maybe Scrabble. And then you can write it here. I used to play Scrabble. So Scrabble is uppercase here. Scrabble. And then number 3, so we find the first word here. So did, followed by you. Did you used to have a pet? So have a pet. So let's write it as no. So no, I didn't. And then we have number 4 here. So the first word, what. So what time? What time did you used to go to bed? Go to bed. So we have these two tools here. So used to go to bed. And then question mark for the question form. And then your answer should be, so this pronouns will change to I. I used, so with a D here. I used to go to bed. So at what time? So you can write it as I used to go to bed. So at, so maybe 9 o'clock every night. So this is just my recommended answer. You can answer yourself. And then number 2, activity 2. Write questions with the prompts to complete the dialogue. So A, where did you used to live? I used to live in a cottage near the beach. So this one we have another prompt here. So this one should be did you. So because the answer is no here, so we start with did. So did you used to, so without a D. So this is a interrogative form or questions form. So did you, so we add a pronoun here. So did you used to have, so we have this verb here, servants, and then question mark. No, we didn't. I used to help with the chores. So, and then this one, another prompt here. So, what chores? So, what chores? What chores did you used to do? And then the answer I. So this one I used to. So do is for the verb. I used to dust and vacuum the carpets. Okay, so for this another prompt here. So this one, the answer is yes. So you should start with did. So did you, so we have pronoun and then used to. Go to school. Go to school. Question mark. So did you used to go to school? Yes, I used to go to the village school. And then we have another prompt here. So the answer. So this one is what did you used to study? So use without a D here. Used to study. And then the answer. So we, so this pronoun we change to we. We used to, so add another D here. We used to study. So this one will be replaced by subjects here. So maths, history, all the subjects that you study. And then we have another prompt here. So this one, because the answer is yes, I did. So start with did. So did you used to? So this one go out. We have our verb here. Used to go out with friends. And then we have our question mark here. And then the answer, yes, I did. We used to go to the cinema. And then we have this activity 3 here. Write questions to go with the answers. So this is similar with activity 2. So number 1, did you used to? So because this is yes or no, so did you used to have? We have our verb here. Have hot water? No, I didn't. There wasn't any hot water in my house. And then number 2. So if you notice carefully, this one I used to read or sew in the evenings. So this one should be replaced by what did you used to? And then we have our verb here, do. So this one, read or sew, is a verb. So we use do here. Used to do in the evenings. So question mark here. And then I used to read or sew in the evenings. And then we have number 3 here. So I used to walk to school. So walk to school, this one you can write as how. So how did you used to go to school? Question mark. So how do you used to go to school? I used to walk to school. And then number 4. So yes, I did. So the first word should be did. So did you? So pronoun. And then we add used to. So this one, play. So we find a verb. So used to play outside. So did you used to play outside? Yes, I did. I used to play outside every day. And then the last one, I used to play tennis. So this one should be replaced by what did you used to play? What did you used to play? I used to play tennis. So that's it for today. So we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 21. So that's it for today. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And you can watch the related videos here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my diagram robot that I developed.